If you're looking for some great LED lights, you're going to want to check this out. This is the Model 26S right over here. So this is kind of the specs right over here. You got the light source is LED, light temperature 6000 K, material aluminum, working temp minus 40 to 176 Fahrenheit, operating voltage. You can see all this stuff for yourself. So this is what it looks like right over here. So it comes packaged really nice. Everything is nice and tight in here. We also got this instruction guide right over here. It literally walks you through everything that you need to get this done, even with pictures. One of the better instruction guides I've seen. It even comes with a pair of work gloves. You got extra fuses here if you need those. And then you have two different sizes. So if you pull this one out right over here, well, it's like packaged really nice. So this is what this one looks like up front. You could tell this band right here is a little smaller than this one over here. These also have numbers on them, so you could tell exactly what they are. So you'll see the difference right over here. This one has the smaller one. This one has the bigger one. Really nice. So if you're looking for some LED lights, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review for you.